Have you ever dreamed of having a job that brings you joy, lets you express your creativity and pays the bills comfortably? Well, I'm here to tell you that becoming a carpenter in the UK can be that dream job. Not only do carpenters have the satisfaction of creating something with their own hands, but they also enjoy a sense of pride and accomplishment in their work. Plus, the financial stability that comes with being a skilled tradesperson is unbeatable. One of the biggest misconceptions about carpentry is that it's a low-paying job. But the truth is, experienced carpenters can earn a very good salary, upwards of £40,000 a year. Another misconception is that you need to have prior experience to get started. But that's just not true. With the right training and apprenticeships, anyone can become a skilled carpenter, regardless of their background. Some people think that carpentry is only for those who are naturally handy or have a talent for building things. But the truth is, carpentry is a skill that can be learned by anyone who is willing to put in the effort. And finally, some people think that carpentry is a dying trade, that with all the new technology and automation, there won't be a need for carpenters anymore. But the reality is, carpentry is an essential trade that will always be in demand. People will always need skilled tradespeople to build, renovate, and repair their homes and buildings. So, how do you become a carpenter in the UK? While formal qualifications aren't strictly required, having GCSEs or National 5s in maths, English and technology can give you a significant advantage. These subjects build the foundation for essential skills like precise measurements, detailed calculations and understanding technical drawings, all crucial in modern carpentry. Getting hands-on experience is absolutely vital in this trade. Many successful carpenters start their journey as laborers or apprentices, learning directly from experienced professionals. It's like being paid to learn. You're earning while mastering the craft from those who've perfected it over years. The college route offers a brilliant alternative pathway into carpentry, particularly if you're keen on building a solid theoretical foundation alongside practical skills. City and Guilds qualifications are like gold dust in the industry. They're widely recognized and highly respected by employers across the UK. For young learners under 19, these construction skills certificates are absolutely fantastic stepping stones. They cover not just the basics of carpentry and joinery, but also essential aspects like project planning, material science, and sustainability practices, skills that are becoming increasingly valuable in modern construction. Once you're employed, the learning journey continues with NVQs, SVQs in carpentry. These qualifications are particularly brilliant because they're earned while working, meaning you're developing real-world skills and getting paid at the same time. Apprenticeships have undergone a fantastic transformation in recent years, with the 3-year construction building programs now offering an incredible blend of practical work and structured learning. Many apprenticeship programs now incorporate specialist modules in areas like heritage restoration, sustainable building practices, and advanced joinery techniques. These aren't your grandfather's apprenticeships. They're designed to create the next generation of skilled craftspeople. The flexibility of modern training paths is brilliant news for anyone considering carpentry. Whether you prefer full-time study through diplomas, hands-on learning through NVQs, or a combination of both, there's a route that'll match your learning style perfectly. Here's an industry insight that many don't realize. Attending a dedicated training center can fast-track your skill development. These centers often have state-of-the-art equipment and specialist facilities that you might not find in smaller workshops. You'll get exposure to both traditional tools and cutting-edge machinery, making you incredibly versatile in the job market. The world of NVQs in wood occupations has expanded brilliantly to meet the evolving demands of modern construction. The Diploma in Site Carpentry, available at both Level 2 and 3, is particularly sought after in 2024, as it covers everything from basic joinery to advanced installation techniques. What makes these qualifications especially valuable is their tiered approach. Level 2 builds your foundation skills. Think of it as mastering the essentials of the trade. Then Level 3 takes you into more sophisticated territory where you'll tackle complex projects and develop specialist techniques that can really set you apart in the industry. The certificate in shop fitting site work opens up a fascinating specialist avenue many don't consider. It's like being part architect, part carpenter, and part designer all rolled into one. Here's something exciting that's emerged recently. Many of these qualifications now include modules on sustainable materials and eco-friendly construction methods. As the industry shifts towards greener practices, having this knowledge can give you a serious edge in the job market. What's particularly brilliant about these qualifications is that they're recognized nationwide, meaning your skills are portable. Whether you're working on a historic restoration in Edinburgh or a modern development in London, employers know exactly what expertise you bring to the table. The scope of modern carpentry is absolutely fascinating. It's far more diverse than many people imagine. Every wooden element you see in a building has likely passed through a carpenter's hands. From the moment you step onto a beautifully crafted hardwood floor to when you admire a handcrafted staircase, you're seeing the results of skilled craftsmanship. What's particularly exciting is how traditional carpentry skills are being combined with contemporary design demands. You might find yourself working with sustainable materials, creating energy-efficient window installations, or incorporating smart home technology into custom-built cabinetry. The toolkit of a modern carpenter is absolutely fascinating. It's like having a perfect blend of traditional craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. While the trusty hammer, chisel, and plane remain essential companions, they're now complemented by precision power tools and even digital measuring equipment. Laser levels, digital angle finders, and even smartphone apps for calculations have become invaluable additions to the carpenter's arsenal. It's like having a high-tech workshop in your tool bag. Precision and attention to detail are absolutely crucial in modern carpentry. We're talking about millimeter-perfect accuracy here. The old carpenter's saying "measure twice, cut once" has never been more relevant, especially with today's high-end materials and exacting client expectations. While traditional blueprints are still used, many projects now involve digital plans and 3D models. You might find yourself working with tablets and CAD software alongside your traditional tools. It's like having a complete design studio at your fingertips. Here's something many don't realize. Modern carpentry is like solving a three-dimensional puzzle. Physical fitness in carpentry isn't just about strength, it's about endurance, flexibility, and smart working practices. The teamwork aspect of carpentry has become increasingly important in contemporary construction. Projects are more complex than ever, requiring seamless coordination between different trades. You might find yourself collaborating with electricians to plan cable routes through joinery, or working with plumbers to accommodate pipework in wooden structures. What's really brilliant about today's construction industry is how digital communication tools have enhanced teamwork. Project management apps, instant messaging, and shared digital plans mean everyone stays coordinated. But don't worry, there's still plenty of good old-fashioned face-to-face collaboration on site. Health and safety in modern carpentry has evolved significantly. It's no longer just about wearing a hard hat and steel toe boots. Here's something that might surprise you. Many leading construction firms now use wearable technology to monitor site safety. From smart helmets that detect hazardous situations to apps that track exposure to vibration from power tools, technology is making the trade safer than ever before. The emphasis on safety training has intensified, with regular updates on best practices and new regulations. It's not just about following rules, it's about understanding why they exist and how they protect you. What's particularly interesting is how project demands have shaped working patterns. While the standard working week remains common, many carpenters now have the opportunity to choose between different work arrangements. Some prefer the traditional early starts, typically 7 a.m. 3:30 p.m., while others might opt for later shifts, especially when working on commercial projects or renovations. Work can be seasonal, working fewer hours in the winter or having jobs cancelled is common. The job market for carpenters in 2025 is absolutely booming, thanks to government infrastructure projects and the ongoing housing boom. It's like a perfect storm of opportunity, but in a good way. The demand for skilled carpenters has never been higher, with projects ranging from HS2 developments to eco-friendly housing initiatives. The subcontracting landscape has evolved significantly. Many carpenters now work through professional networks or digital platforms that connect skilled trades with major contractors. The career progression in modern carpentry is incredibly diverse. Heritage restoration, for instance, has become a highly sought-after expertise, where traditional skills meet conservation technology. The world of theatrical and film prop making has exploded with opportunities, thanks to the UK's booming entertainment industry. Modern prop makers combine traditional carpentry skills with innovative materials and sometimes even 3D printing technology. Here's something exciting about career development. The supervisory and management roles have evolved significantly. Today's construction managers need not only practical expertise but also skills in digital project management, sustainability practices, and team leadership. Teaching and training roles have become increasingly rewarding. With the industry's focus on addressing skills shortages, experienced carpenters who move into education aren't just instructors, they're mentors shaping the next generation of craft professionals. Starting salaries have increased significantly, with trainees now earning between £17,000 and £21,500 per year. This reflects the industry's efforts to attract new talent and the rising cost of living. Fresh qualifiers can expect to earn between £24,000 and £31,750 annually. This is a substantial increase from previous years, showing how the industry values qualified professionals. With several years of experience, carpenters are now earning between £33,900 and £38,500 annually. Location plays a crucial role here. London-based carpenters typically earn 20–25% more than the national average. Top earners in the field, particularly those specializing in high-end joinery or heritage restoration, can now command salaries of £45,000–£60,000 annually. Some specialists working in luxury developments or managing their own successful businesses can earn even more. The construction boom and skills shortage have driven up salaries, with many employers offering additional benefits such as vehicle allowances, tool allowances, performance bonuses, health insurance, and pension contributions. Let's wrap up with some absolutely essential resources that every aspiring carpenter needs to know about. These organizations are like your career compass, guiding you through the woodworking industry. First up is the British Woodworking Federation, BWF. Think of them as the powerhouse of the UK woodworking industry. They're not just any trade association, they represent over 500 members and are constantly pushing the boundaries of woodworking excellence. The Institute of Carpenters is your gateway to professional recognition. Established in 1890, they've been championing excellence in carpentry for over 130 years. They're leading the charge in combining traditional craftsmanship with modern techniques. You can find the links to these organizations listed in the video description below. Be sure to check them out for more information, resources, and support to help you kickstart or advance your career as a carpenter. Thanks for watching Career Chronicles. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share to inspire others to find their dream careers too. See you in the next video.